Welcome back guys to my channel, Support the Support Worker. I've actually decided to come back on today to do another sound test of the LG OM5540, and the reason being I don't think I gave it its much deserved justice in terms of the sound quality that I put out in my first video regarding this speaker. So I want to give it a chance. So hopefully now you should be able to hear what I can hear. Last night I actually heard it live on YouTube and it did sound a little bit distorted for me. So hopefully now with a second chance we can give it a good little opportunity for you to decide whether it's for you or not. So let's get into this guys. Let's go. Hopefully now you can hear the bass guys.
This is another dark Dolio from my heart. Make I tell you waiting up for a bullet. But this big party inside by a bullet. I went there with my best friend Kule. Kule there with his girlfriend Shile. Get two girls them they like Takasufi. So many pretty girls they inside my mule. I just the one that say which can party yeah. Everything yakma, everything there. Oh shit, I get many girls with them they come from away. AJ boys and they like to throw away. Almost go gay. We just having fun. We won't carry on. Crazy girls like me this stallion. But my girlfriend they yeah they turn me on. That's why I hold on tight. Hold on yeah yeah. Hold on tight. Hold on yeah yeah. That's why I hold on tight. Hold on yeah yeah. Hold on tight. Hold on yeah yeah. When we touch down, bed I broke down. In a late night, me and her locked up. She found John to the side, I just shotgun. In a my dark glass, cut off shots, clocks, when clean. Touch you roll in the blood clot team. See a girl up on the corner, I cry and I scream. You know, say the boss, I feel that in. She say, I'm a man, give her the time, so of course I know, say, me go give her the white. Now she say, oh, me is a one of a kind, and that's how she became mine.
Here we go. Last tune.
Enjoy. Find out there, so. Me say, get the power, get the power, get the power, come on, get the power, down, and the power, the power. See that day when they shine, that day when they shine. See that day when they mania, that day when they mania. Since 1960, yeah, yeah, yeah. That day when they shine. Since 1930, no, no, no. That day when they shine. You dey do skeleton, 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 skeleton. You dey do your body skeleton, 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 skeleton. You dey do you dey do skeleton, 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 skeleton. On your body, baby girl, pull on it, you dey wine for
all right there guys, and now what we're going to do, I'm going to put the speaker on the ground level so you can get the sound quality from it being on the ground level. So stay tuned, here we go. Welcome back guys, so we're going to now test the LG OM5540 on the ground level so you can hear the variation, what it sounds like on the ground. Let's get into this. Volume on 35.
Daydreaming, the wind in my hair, the salt in the air, no worries, no cares in you.
As you can see, I've had to sloop right down guys,
Day scheming,
just to get this in.
escape to the
But it's
truth,
worth
hide
it.
from the good, just wanna spend time with you. Laying side by side, with catching fire on the radio. Yeah, we get so high, cause we ain't got no place to go. I'll never say goodbye, and
and you ain't never gonna be alone. The promise we made, the promise we broke. But I still remember that summer.
Volume on max.
Oh, the taste of your lips while the sun went down, so sweet. And I could exist in that summer.
Let's change it up, guys.
Close my eyes and get lost in the...
Here we go. Let's speed this one up.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel like, you make me feel like.
Hopefully you'll hear the bass line coming through on this tune.
You make me feel.
There it is.
Endless loving and it can't expire. I will say that I never lose a prayer.
You know, sir, you have the loving to me body when you hold me. And if you call me, we come. Baby, me now let her go. Love is like a seed and you reap what you sow. Oh, baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up your lighter, float on with the waves. You make me feel like, you make me feel like.
One more tune coming in, guys. One more.
You make me feel. Give me the fire, make you bring that over.
Here we go. Last tune. Another bassy tune. The whole system's vibrating.
Clueless, you got me clueless. See, I don't know what it is, but you have it. When you started moving, don't stop moving. Let me get closer
I
to
hope
you.
you guys are moving to these
Closer to
tunes.
you.
I certainly am.
Closer, closer. This night is overdue. I can't help myself. One thing I wanna do.
And if you want to know the names of these tracks, guys, also comment below.
Closer, closer. Closer, closer. Can't get closer. Foolish, feeling foolish. Don't usually do this myself. It's a habit. When you started moving, keep on moving. Let me get closer to you. Closer to you. Closer, closer.
Right, guys, that's it for the sound test.
Many mighty ships are sinking, many stars are falling down, and I count it as a blessing that you hold me up now. Oh, I can tell that you've been praying. My whole life has turned around. And I can't go without saying.
Welcome back, guys, after that sound test of the LG OM5540. What a sound test that was. Now, I hope the second time gave this a chance that you could hear the sound quality better than the first video that I put out. So, guys, comment below, let me know what you think. Is it a good, or is it a bad, or is it in between? Let me know, guys, because I always want to know what you think so I can improve the videos as we go along. So, what I'd like you to do, guys, is subscribe, like, comment, share, and most importantly, take care of yourself and each other, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.